Our goal now is to use relative positioning to move this berry over here. So relative positioning is similar to absolute positioning. I do specify top left or bottom right coordinates, but it does not pull the berry out of the document flow. It is just going to move it relative to where it currently is inside the document flow. So let's have a look at that. This one is relative pause, so I'll use that as my selector. This is position relative. And again, let me take a look at relative pause. It looks like this background image is 235 pixels from the left of the container and 10 down. So here we go. Oops, left 235 pixels, top 10 px. Save and refresh. The reason why this worked so easily is because this red berry was already at position 0, 0 of its div. So I just had to move it down by the same amount as the background image. If this red berry had not been first in its div, let's see what that does to our result. So if in this second example, if the image had been underneath the P rather than first thing in the div, if I save and refresh, I get this result. So you can see that relative positioning depends on where it was originally. So this one is only working for us because the original location of the image was at 0, 0, the top left corner of its container. So I have to undo, and the image has to be in this location in order for our current styling to work. This is a little dangerous, but in terms of what your client might do in the content of your page, but in reality, it's pretty rare that you're using relative and absolute positioning to do what we're doing. This is just a good practice exercise. In the following video, we'll do a more complicated one where we are moving this strawberry onto this one, and it must move with the strawberry on the background.